about your role in this engagement and how did that your experience?
My role is more, I guess, from the quality side, making sure that everything is documented and requirements are met, rewritten if required, test procedures, all that good stuff. So, I mean, it's been a positive experience where, the team is reviewing requirements, understanding the requirements, digging through other documents to make sure they understand the requirements before they make changes or suggest updates or implement what we had discussed.
So this is a very highly regulated, like Tim referred to. So can you tell how difficult otherwise it is to work with an offshore India team given the burden of regulatory compliance and requirements and all that, and how did that work out?
So we, in the very beginning, we were pretty adamant that your team trained on our quality management system and the procedures, which they did. We gave them training records and procedures to review. They did that. So that was the start of the project. And then after that training was complete, then they started diving down into the documentation, source code, and addressing the tickets or the bugs and seeing how we would move forward. So the whole basis behind working with the in a regulated industry like med device is that you're following quality management system and whatever rules and regulations that are put out for that industry. So, and they did that. They did the training, and then that was good.
So for just someone who's watching this video, just quick context, this is a medical device, right? So maybe can you provide just a bit of context? Where does the regulatory burden come from? Nature of the device that
the basis of it is that from FDA, but we also ship globally, so we follow EU directives and then also ISO 1345, which is specific to quality management systems and which is recognized globally for med device companies. So a lot of different places where the rules and regulations are coming from.
Excellent.